Initiate effective and focused evaluations by implementing time limits on your assessments. Currently, without time limits, assessments can extend unnecessarily, leading to a lack of focus and potential question sharing among candidates. With the timed assessments feature, you can enforce strict time limits, ensuring that candidates stay on course and complete tests efficiently. Start by setting a test duration to keep every assessment focused and productive. Synchronizing this with a specific time frame helps maintain control over the start times. Let's delve into how you can set your tests' start and end times using accessibility controls. Here, you can designate the date and time for both the commencement and conclusion of the test. This feature ensures everything stays on schedule by allowing candidates to start only within a specified window. For example, if the end time is set to noon and the candidate begins at 11:59 a.m., they will still receive the full test duration to complete it. This reduces the likelihood of question sharing and ensures a smooth testing process. Boost fairness by incorporating a sectional timer, which allows for customized time for each section to effectively evaluate a variety of skills. Collectively, these features create a seamless and secure testing environment, streamlining your recruitment for optimal results. Timed assessments keep candidates attentive and reduce the risk of question sharing, giving you accurate and secure evaluation results. Try timed assessments today and make evaluations faster, fairer, and more secure with VCP.